wiring up all connections for my AC and DC circuits, I began with the 12-volt DC or direct current circuits over on the right side of the distribution box. To connect the negative wires for each DC circuit, I taped the DC fuse panel up out of the way to get started. That DC circuit board is where the positive DC wires are connected, and the appropriate amperage blade fuse is inserted for each circuit. So it's definitely a little more time consuming using ferrules, but I think the ferrules will help in terms of the long haul over time. Just secure the solidity of the connection, especially on these larger cables. So that's what I'm doing. Doing ferrules when possible. Ferrules, if you don't know, they're just round metal sleeves that go over the bare copper to help make it just a better solid connection and surface, especially when you're doing screw-in terminals. So I've been using them even on these small wires, small gauge wires as well. So larger cables require larger ferrule crimpers, like this baby.